we are moving into Black Friday and into the Christmas shopping.
Black Friday. And I want to know, want last week was ook Black Friday. So is it just a Friday anytime, any Friday in this month? Any Friday in November? Ne?
A whole month of.
Of was het net elke maand? Ik was dinsdag bij de dinges bij Mekro geweest. Ja, en daar was Black Friday on a Tuesday. So it's just a general thing. Hulle wil nie specific wees een dag hier. Hulle wil it spread this way, that way. I see.
Sale for the whole month.
Yeah, it's a month. It's a whole month of sales. Yeah. Het julle al sales? Het julle lekker sales opgetel? Niemand nog nie begin shopping. Chat, what's happening there Black Friday? Tell me your stories of Black Friday. All the different experiences when you get to a shop. They advertise a Black Friday thing. You get there, no Black Friday. Maybe it's something green. Maybe it's, whatever. Tell me your experiences of Black Friday. How do you feel? Should it be here? Is it a good thing for us? Yeah, daar is die. Of miskien moet hulle elke maand 'n Black Friday van die jaar. Typical on a January, the third weekend, that's a Black Friday. Verstaan jy? Then you spread it out. That's just my thoughts. Anyway.